The problem says at the University of Gatorville, there are 27 players on the football team. 17 are on academic probation, 10 have an arrest record, 14 have cheated in class, 5 have an arrest record and are on academic probation, 5 have cheated and have an arrest record, 9 have cheated and are on academic probation, 4 fall into all three categories. All right, so we have overlapping sets here, and whenever you have overlapping sets, that means that a Venn diagram is a good way to solve the problem. And here we have 3 overlapping sets. So I'm going to call the set in the upper left-hand corner AP for academic probation. I'm going to call the upper right circle AR for arrest record, and I'm going to call the bottom circle C for cheated. Now remember, when you fill in a Venn diagram, you fill it in from the inside out. And so the first part of this diagram that we would like to fill in is the part that I am going to shade right now in gold. Okay, and notice that that part is the portion of the figure in which all 3 circles, that gold portion lies in all 3 circles. And so here I want to know how many of the players had an arrest record, are on academic probation, and cheated. And it says 4 fell into all 3 categories. So right there in the middle, I'm going to have a 4. So now we're going to work our way out. So next what I'm going to do is I'm going to fill in the region that is in pink. And to use the fact, to fill in that region that's in pink, I'm going to use the fact that what I'm now outlining in pink, this football-shaped region here, consists of everything that's both in the cheating circle and the arrest record circle. So if you look at the problem, it says the number of students who have cheated and have an arrest record are 5. So we need a total of 5 in that region. Notice I've already got 4 in there, so to get a total of 5, I only need to add 1 more. Now I'm going to fill in this part in the that I'm going to shade now in green. We're going to fill in that. And to fill in that, we are going to look at the football-shaped region that I'm now outlining in green. And this football-shaped region consists of everything that's in the cheating circle and in the academic probation circle. If we look at the problem, it said that 9 have cheated and are on academic probation. Since I already have 4 in there, I need to add 5 more to get my total of 9. So next, I'm going to fill in the region that I am shading in gray or light blue. And so notice that this is part of the football-shaped region that I'm now shading in grayish blue. And this region corresponds to the portion of the Venn diagram that is in the academic probation circle and in the arrest record circle. And the problem said that 5 have an arrest record and are on academic probation. Since I already have 4 in that region, I need to add 1 more to get a total of 5. So continuing to work our way out, I'm now going to shade the region that is in blue there, sky blue. And notice that we are told in the problem that a total of 10 students had an arrest record. So the arrest record is that entire circle, and I already have 1 plus 4 plus 1, or 6 students in that circle. Since I should have a total of 10, that means I need to add 4 more to the circle. Now we are going to look at the region that I'm shading in brown, And I want you to not just look at that, but consider the entire academic probation circle, which is the green plus the gray plus the gold plus the brown. We're told that the number of football players on academic probation is 17. Well, how many do I already have in the academic probation circle? I have 1 plus 4 plus 5, or 10. Since I need 17 altogether and I already have 10, that means that I need 7 more in the academic probation circle. Now, continuing with the outside, I am going to fill in the portion that I just shaded in purple. And to do that, I want you to look at the C circle, the cheating circle. It tells us in the problem that a total of 14 have cheated in class. How many do I already have in the cheating circle? I already have 5 plus 4 plus 1, or 10. So I need a total of 4 more to give me the 14 that I need altogether. And finally, we want to figure out what goes in the outside portion of the Venn diagram, what I just shaded in yellow. And to do that, we're going to use the fact that the problem says there's 27 students altogether. Well, how many do we already have in the diagram? We have 7 plus 1 plus 4, reading across the top. Now across the middle, plus 5 plus 4 plus 1, and then at the bottom another 4. Let's add this all up. We get a total of 26, and since it said there were 27 students altogether, that means that I need 1 on the outside. So I'm now ready to answer part A of the question, which said how many players fall into none of the 3 categories. Well, the none of the 3 categories is that yellow outer portion, which we just said there is one student in that region. So that's going to be the answer to question A. Now question B is asking for how many players did not cheat. Well, we really don't even need the Venn diagram to answer this one. We know there's 27 players altogether. The problem told us that. And it told us that 14 of them have cheated. If there's 27 students and 14 of them have cheated, that means all the rest, or 13, have not cheated. But the other way you could have gotten that answer was just to take all the numbers that are outside the cheating circle and adding them up, and you'll get that same answer of 13. Part C says how many players cheated but did not have an arrest record. Okay, the ones that cheated and did not have an arrest record are the ones that are in the C circle but not in the arrest record circle. And that would be the purple plus the green. The purple region cheated, but they're not in the arrest record circle. And the green cheated, and they're not in the arrest record circle. So that's going to be 4 plus 5, or a total of 9. And the last part of the problem, part D, says how many players fell into exactly one of the 3 categories. Well, the purple region is only in the cheating category, not in either of the other 2. The brown region is only in one of the 3 sets. It's in the academic probation set, but not in cheating or arrest record. And the sky blue is in exactly one of the 3 sets. They're in the arrest record, but they're not in academic probation, and they're not in cheating. So that's going to be 4 plus 7 plus 4, or a total of 15. And that completes this problem.